With the 600M, and so this is how we assemble it. First we want to take the juicing bowl and we want to sit it down like so. We want to then rotate it clockwise and then it'll just sit in place like this. So you know it's in place when this spout's pointing forward. Next we want to take the auger. We want to set it down in the center, just gently push down. When it gets to here we want to twist and push, and so you'll know that it's fully in when you've got that little twist push and it won't go any further. Next we want to take the lid, place it on like so, again turn clockwise and you'll hear that click. That's the mechanism at the back pushing down and you'll hear it like that. Now once it's together like this, we don't want to try and remove it, twist it or anything. You might damage some clips at the back. Every time we do this we want to untwist it at the top, take it off, next remove the auger, next remove the juicing bowl. The same goes if it's all assembled as a unit like this. We don't want to then try and put it in as a whole. So we don't want to try and fit it on like this. We always want to do it systematically.